Hi children, I welcome you all for today's online class. I believe you all are safe and good in your home children. So children, in today's online class, we will discuss the chapter 2, addition and subtraction for grade 5th standard. So children, today we will discuss about the topic word problems on addition. So in the previous part, we have learnt about the addition. So today we will discuss about the word problems based on the addition, and we will solve the exercise 2.2 children. Let us begin today's online class with a small test which we have already learned in the previous part based on the things what we learned from the previous part. Questions will be there. Add the following two numbers. Add the following. These are two numbers which you need to write a test, children. So I request all the children to take a note and copy these questions. You can start to write the answers. Okay. So when you come, you should bring this test. We'll be checking this, children. Next is recall. Okay. In the recall part, we shall recall the things what we learned in the previous part, children. It's very easiest one. One is addition of numbers here. In the addition of numbers, we shall see in two ways. One is with carrying, with carrying. Next one is without carrying. Okay, without carrying and with carrying. Let us understand first the without carrying now. For example, so if you add 376, 123. Okay, if you add these three numbers, you can add like this. So this addition will start by adding from the units digit onwards. 6 plus 3 is 9. There no need of carrying the numbers because what we got the answer 6 plus 3 9, you should write as it is. 7 plus 2 is 9. 3 plus 1 is 4. So here we did the addition without carrying any digits to the next one. Okay, this example for without carrying. Next we'll see them with carrying. So for example, 797, 486. Okay, so if you add these two numbers, 7 plus 6 is 13. For 13 you write 3, 1 carry. Okay, for example 13 here. In the 13 there is 3 ones here and 1 tens here. Okay, it is already 9 tens and 8 tens are there. So these 3 ones should write to the ones place. The 1 tens will add to the, already it has 9 tens and 8 tens. This one should tens should add to the tens place now. This is the reason we should carry, children. It will change depends on the position, children. So now we can carry this 1 to the next digit. 3 you can write in the 13 to the ones place. Now 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Now 18 is there, 180. Okay, now how many 8 is how many 10 is there? 8 10 is there, so this 8 10 should write here. Then how many hundreds there? 100 is there, so this 1 should carry to the hundreds place, 100. Now 1 plus 7 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. For 11 you should write 11 as it is. You can ask why we didn't carry here, because there is no number after the 7 here, so we no need to carry the number. So this is what the answer. This is the example for with carrying. Next is addend. Let us understand this addend through an example, children. It's very easiest one. For example, add 346, 221 here. Okay, so which numbers should be added here? These two numbers should be added. For example, I mean the number what is going to be added, what is to be added, that is called the addend, children. Okay, now we have to add the numbers 346 and 221, and these numbers are called the addend. Okay, though, so after the addition we'll get the answer. 6 plus 1 is 7, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, so after the addition we got the answer. This answer is called the sum. Okay, this answer is called the sum, and this is what we have learned in this previous part. So next is, by the end of this video, I mean after the end of this online class, students, you'll be able to solve the word problems in an easy method, children. So this is what today's our aim to achieve after end of this topic, children, and after end of this online class, children. Okay, shall we go, children? Yeah. In today's class, we will discuss about the how to solve the exercise 2.2. Okay, in the exercise 2.2, there are word problems. First, in the first question, in a state 5 crore 88 lakh, let me take a marker here. In a state 5 crore 88 lakh 24,374 males are there, and 2 crore 49 lakh 32,816 females are there, are eligible to vote in the elections, children. What is the total number of eligible voters in the state? That is the question they asked. Okay. So children, so we need to write the solution. So I request all the children to concentrate here, children. Okay. The reason is, let us understand this question very deeply. What is given here? In a state, okay, how many males are there? 5 crore 88 lakh 24,374. Okay, that is what they given here. So males are 5 crore 88 lakh 24,374. Next, what is given? Females. Females is how much here? 2 crore 49 lakh 32,816 females are there. Okay. Now what they asked here, what is the total number of eligible voters? Which total means sum we should add here. Okay, this is what I try to say here. Total means what here? Addition we should do. Okay, let us add, children. Yes. Let me write again this 5 crore 88 lakh 24,374 children. Next, 2 crore 49 lakh 32,816. Okay, if you add these two numbers, what is the answer? Let us see. So addition, you should start from the units digit onwards, which is rightmost digit onwards. Now 4 plus 6 is 12. Sorry, 4 plus 6 is 10. For 10, write 0. 1 carry to the next digit. So 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. There is no carrier. 3 plus 8 is 3. Plus 8 is 11. For 11, you should write 1, and 1 should carry to the next digit. Next, 1 plus 5 is 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Then 2 plus 3 is 5. 8 plus 9 is 17. For 17, write 7 and 1 carry to the next digit. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13, for 13 you should write 3. 1 carry to the next digit. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So if we put comma, you will get it like this. So the totally 8 crore 37 lakh 57,190 will be the next question is, in 2017 a bank gave rupees 7 crore 80 lakh 33,428 as home loans and 4 crore 20 lakh 47,520 as car loans. What is the total number of money given as loans? Okay, so let us start giving the solutions here. Okay, before we give the solution, let us once again understand this question, given question, very deeply. Okay, in 2000 year, there is a year a bank gave home loans. Home loan, how much here? 7 crore 80 lakh 33,428 children. Now how much is given as a car loan here? 4 crore 20 lakh 47,520 children. This is what the given here, home loans and car loans. Okay, what is the home loan? See how much is home loan is given? 7 crore 80 lakh 33,428. How much is given for loans, car loans here? 4 crore 20 lakh 47,520 children. Now 7 crore 80 lakh, what is they asked? The total amount of money is given by the bank as a loan. That is the question they asked here. Okay, let us write the numbers given here. 7 lakh 80 crore 33 lakh 428, 4 crore 20 lakh 47,520 children. So we'll add this number. So when you add, you should add the extreme right number. Okay, so I mean from the unit digit onwards. 8 plus 0 is 8, 2 plus 2 is 4, 5 plus 5 5 plus 4 is 9, 3 plus 7 is 10. For 10 you write 0 and 1 carry to the next digit. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. Next 0 plus 0 is 0 and 8 plus 2 is 10. For 10 you write 0 and 1 carry to the next digit. So 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. So there is no next digit in the next to the 7, so you can write as 12 as it is. Okay, now if you put comma, the answer will be 12 crore 80 lakh 948 children. So the total amount of money given as a loans by a bank in the year 2017 is 12 crore 12 crore 80 lakh. Next question is, an oil company produced 6 crore 10 lakh 29,834 liters of oil in the first year and 18 crore 54 lakh 28,756 in the second year. How many liters of oil did the well produce in the 2 years? That is a question. Okay, let us start to give a solution to this question. So I request all the children to concentrate here. Okay, it's very important. Okay, so again we'll understand this question very deeply. First, an oil company produced how many liters of oil in the first year? In the first year, 6 crore 10 lakh 29,834 liters of oil in the first year. Okay, this is first. In the second year, how much year? In the second year, 18 crore 54 lakh 28,756 liters of oil. Okay, 18 crore 54 lakh 28,756 liters of oil. Now what they have asked, how many liters oil did produce in the 2 years? Okay, in the 2 years we should add. Okay children, so we should add the number of liters of petrol in the first year and second year. Let me write again here. 6 crore 10 lakh 29,834. Next, 18 lakh 54,000, sorry, as 18 crore 54 lakh 28,756. Okay, we'll add this to 4 plus 6 is 10. For 10, write 0, 1 carry to the next digit. Now 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, next 8 plus 7 is 15. For 15, write 5, 1 carry to the next digit. So 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18. So 1 carry to the next digit. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. 0 plus 4 is 4, 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 plus 8 is 14, 1 carry, then 1 plus 1 is 2. Now put comma now. Okay, 24 crore 64 lakh 58,590 liters of oil will be produced or did produce in the both the 2 years here. In the first year, so that the first year 6 lakh 6 crore 10 lakh 29,830 liters of oil. In the second year 18 crore 54 lakh 20. Next question is a company manufactures 12 crore 12 crore 28 lakh 35,470 cakes of soap and 5 crore 18 lakh 25,037 bottles of shampoo every year. Now, what we have to find, what is the total number of items manufactured by the company in as year? That is a question here. Okay, so let us understand this question very deeply in the solution part. Okay, let me erase this ink and let me rewrite this again. So the cakes of soap is how much here? 12 crore 28 lakh 35,470. Next, bottles of shampoo. How much here? Bottles of shampoo is 5 crore 18 lakh 25,037. Okay, in both means we should add these numbers. Okay, it's very easiest one. So everything addition only comes here. And 12 crore 28 lakh 35,470. Okay, next 5 crore 18 lakh 25,037 shampoos, bottles of shampoo. Now we should add this number. 0 plus 7 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. For 10 you write 0. 1 carry to the next digit. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. Again 5. Then 5 plus 5 is 10. For 10 you write 0. 1 carry to the next digit. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 8 plus 8 is 16. For 16 write 6. 1 carry to the next digit. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now 2 plus 5 is a 7. So 1 will come as it is. Now if you put comma 17 crore 46 lakh 60,507. What is it? So the total number of items produced by a company manufacturers includes 12 crore 825 lakh 35,470 cakes of soap and 5 crore 18 lakh 25,000 of 37 bottles of shampoo in every year is total number of items is 17 crore 46 lakh 60,507 children. In the assessment part, the question is there are 6 crore 24 lakh 60,576 adults and 2 crore 97,063 97 lakh 63,832 children living in the state. Now what is the total population of the state? That is a question here. Okay, adults is 6 crore 24 lakh 60,576. Next, children is 2 crore 97 lakh 63,832 children. So now what they asked us to find the total population here. Okay, let us write here 6 crore 24 lakh 60,576. 2 crore 97 lakh 63,832. Okay, add these two numbers here. 6 plus 2 is 8 and 7 plus 3 is 10. For 10 write 0, 1 carry to the next digit. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14. For 14 write 4, 1 carry to the next digit. 1 plus 3 is 4. 6 plus 6 is 12. For 12 write 2, 1 carry to the next digit. So 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 7 is 12. For 12 write 2, 1 carry to the next digit. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 9 is 12. For 12 write 2, 1 carry to the next digit. So 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. So if you put comma here, so the answer, the total population of the state is 9 crore 22 lakh 24,000. Let us start the answers. So we have a homework here, so try to do this homework in this very easiest one. Okay, then the question is in the years 2016 and 2017 2018. Okay, in the 2016, you know, 48 lakh 52,485, and in 2017, you know, 3 crore 40 lakh 65,892. In 2018, 9 crore 76 lakh 27,106 trees were planted respectively. What was the total number of trees planted in this 3 years, children? So that is a question, which means first you should write 2016 and in 2017. Okay, next 2018. So these three numbers you should add, you should write first, then you should add the three numbers. The answer will be the sum will be the answer of these questions. Okay, now in this today's, so children, I hope you all are enjoyed very well today's online class. In today's online class we have learned how to solve the exercise 2.2 with the concept of addition, what we learned in the previous part, in a easy method, children. So you follow this method, it will be very easy to give a perfect and correct exact answer of any questions, like word problems, in the word problems. Okay, so